Congrats on receiving your brand new Aipas A2. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to unbox and assemble this bike so we can get you out on the road. Are you ready? Well, let's get into it. The box is going to come with some staples here on the top. What you're going to do is you're just going to grab a corner and you're just going to pull fast and hard to release them. Just like that. When you open up the box, this is what it's going to look like. You're going to see that everything is packed and tied together. There is a box down here that you're going to want to pull out first. You have a couple options when it comes to pulling this bike out of the box. You can just grab it and lift it up. The bike isn't that heavy. That is very easy to do. Or you can cut the box and pull the bike out. That way, we're just going to lift it up and put it down. Now grab yourself a pair of strong scissors or a knife, and at this point, we're just going to remove all of this zip ties and padding. This is everything that comes with the bike. There's really not that much to it. You have your charger right here. It's going to come with one pedal because the other one is attached. It's going to give you a wrench so that you can attach that pedal and the manual. Now we're going to unfold the bike so that we can start to assemble it. And to do that, we're just going to bring it around like this. And then there is a latch on this side that you just close. Let's go ahead and put the kickstand down. And now we can start to attach the handlebars. This is your collapsible stem. We're going to open up this lever right here. It's going to open up the hole so we can fit our handlebar in here. As you start to put it in, there is an indent right here, and there is a notch on the inside of the stem, and you will line those both up. Make sure that your wires are not coming over the display. You want to make sure they are facing towards the front of the bike. Once that happens, we need to turn this upside down, and it'll slide right on in there. And then you're just going to close the clamp and bring it up. To keep this stem from collapsing, you have this lever right here, and when you close it, it just connects it to the bike. You only have one pedal, and this says right, and this also says right. So we're going to take these decals off because we don't need them. They're not on the other side. And then what we're going to do is we're going to use that opened end wrench that came with the box, and we're just going to put on our pedal. Look for the number 15 on the wrench. We're going to put our pedal up next to it, and then we are going to spin it clockwise towards the front of the bike until it is tight. Your left-hand pedal is going to show up folded because that's how it was in the box. Now to open up your pedal, you're just going to grab the end of it, twist it, and it comes undone. To fold your pedals, you're just going to push in on it and either turn up or down, and it will fold. It works that way on both sides, and then to open it up, you just twist it again. We now need to go ahead and put air into these tires. They're both pretty flat. What you're going to need is an air pump. It says you can air these up to 35 psi. I like to put 30 pounds in there because that extra 5 pounds that I do not put in there provides me a little bit of cushion while I'm riding down the road. Make sure you do both tires. The keys to the bike are going to be attached to your handlebars. You're just going to cut those free. And then right here is your warranty card, and you want to cut that free as well. Use the QR code on the back to apply for the warranty on this bike. These are the two keys that come with the bike. You're going to want to separate them and label them. That's what I do because if I lose one, I have a spare. From there, you will only need these keys if you're going to remove the battery to charge it somewhere else. We did it. We put the bike together. I told you there wouldn't be much to it. Now, I'm sure you probably want to know how to operate this bike and all of that. Well, I have done a separate video. You can see it right here. And that is where I show you how to operate the entire bike and show you how it performs. But that's it. I want to thank you for watching. So until I see you again, enjoy the ride.